Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the longest street in Jamaica. We're driving on Great George Street. We are in the parish of Westmoreland and we are in the town of Savlamar. And this is Great George Street, the longest street in Jamaica. It actually takes you from, I guess you could say, the town center, or from the KFC all the way down to the port, or what's left of the port. So we'll take the tour as we go along. Now, Savlamar is the main town in Westmoreland. It's the capital and the busiest town. On the left is the NCB Bank. We passed the police station and courthouse a little earlier. So basically this is one of the major shopping districts in Savlamar. You're going to find all the banks on this road, all the supermarkets, wholesales, you name it, it's on this road. So we passed NCB, this is Sagicor, and further down the bottom is BNS. And as you can see, it's a very busy place. This is what they refer to as downtown Savlamar. This area, because you have another shopping area on Beckford Street, another massive plaza. And of course the name Great George Street, you don't have to ask where that name came from, looking at Jamaica's history. So, and it's no coincidence that it's the longest street in Jamaica. So as you can see, to the left and the right, everywhere is built out. This town was formed hundreds of years ago.